You put your hand back?
Razi.
Now, go!
I'm just taking video and I'm going to take a still from the video. Yeah, I wish he would smile, like, on cue. I got him. Got him smiling. Can you move the elephant to right behind his right arm, left arm? Yeah.
Hi, Cookie. Hi.
What's up? Oops, sorry, I just like bumped you out of the way.